In this lesson, we will be adding our final content page to our website. To save some time, I've already created 7 articles in my events category. Now we're going to go ahead and create the menu link to those articles. Select Menus, Main Menu. To create the new item, click on New and give the menu a title. Select the menu item type. This is Articles, and we're going to use the category Blog again. Select the category where you've created the articles, and in this case it is Events. Click Save and then take a look and see what this has done to your website. Open up your website in a new browser by clicking on the site name in the top right hand corner. We can see here our new menu link called Events. If we select it, we can see all those events listed. Remember, by default, Joomla is displaying one article across the full width and the rest of the articles in 2 columns. For this page, I want to create all the articles in a single column. So return to your administrator and go to the Blog Layout tab. Here we want to set the leading articles to 0, the number of articles to show to 4 in one column, and I'm going to set the number of links to show as 0. So again, press Save, return to your website and refresh the page. And we can see that now that we have all the articles in one column, and after the first 4 we have pagination to go to the next articles. However, you will notice that the order of the articles is probably not the best. This is because by default Joomla displays the articles in the order that they were created, with the newest article at the beginning. So let's go ahead and change that to something more suitable. Return to your administrator. In the Blog Layout tab, if you scroll down, you will see an option called Article Order. If we look, we can see that there are several different options. To display the articles by most recent first, which is the default, the oldest first, alphabetical, reverse alphabetical, most hits, or least hits, but the one we want to use is Article Manager Order. This lets us order the articles individually. So let's select that and press Save and Close. If we go back to our site and refresh the page, we probably won't see anything different at the moment. So what we have to do is to go back to our administrator and go to our Article Manager. So select Content, Article Manager. Now we can see here are all the articles on our website. So to make it a little bit easier for us, let's filter the list to just show the category Events. We can do this using the search tools. Select the one for category and then select the category we want, Events. We can see now that the articles are being displayed just for the Events category. What we want to do is to sort these articles so that they are displayed in the date order of the title, April, May, June, July, etc. To do this, click on this small arrow here. The articles are now being listed exactly in the order that they are being displayed on your website. We want to change this so that the April article is right at the very top. So if you go down and as you move your cursor over these 3 dots it becomes a cross. Click, hold, drag and drop. And do the same for the rest of the articles. Click, hold, drag, drop. Once the articles are being displayed here in the order that you want, return to your website and refresh the page. Now they are being displayed April, May, June and July, but let's not stop there. Once the month of April is finished, we want to remove this article from our website, and for May and June, July and so on. We could do this manually every month by unpublishing the article, but Joomla allows us to do this automatically. Return to your administrator and open the April Adventures article by clicking on its title. If we go to the Publishing tab, we can see the Start Publishing, which is the date and time that I created the article, and a Finish Publishing, which is currently empty. In other words, it will never finish publishing. What I want to do is set it to automatically finish publishing at the end of the month, or to be more precise, at the beginning of the next month. So click on the calendar icon, navigate to the 1st of May and select that. Now you can see the time here is the current time, and if I wanted to, I can go in there and edit it. Save and close this and repeat this for all the other articles so that they will automatically be unpublished and disappear on the correct dates. Finally, we can employ a little trick to display one piece of text right at the very top of this page, kind of like a sticky, something that will always be at the top. To do this, we can make use of the Category Description feature. If we go to the Content and Category Manager and select our event category. You'll remember that when we created it, we only gave it a title, but there was the ability here to give it a description with pictures and links as well if we wanted. For now, I'm just going to put some straight text in there. Once I've typed my text and formatted it exactly how I want, click Save and Close. Return to your website and refresh the page, and you'll see that nothing has changed yet, because by default the category descriptions do not show. Return to the administrator and go to the menu. Select your Events menu and go to the Category tab, and here you can see two options for category title and category description. You should set both of these to show. Once that's done, click Save and Close. Return to your site and refresh the page, and you can now see that we have the title of the category and the description. By using this feature of adding a category description, we're able to ensure that we can always have one piece of text at the top of the page, irrelevant of any ordering options that we have of the individual articles.